Welcome to Safe Trailering. This course is designed to provide you some basic lessons on trailers and towing basics, supplementing your driver's education curriculum. This course will take you through an introductory overview of basic trailer towing equipment and general principles. You will also learn the importance of loading a trailer properly and what to do if a trailer begins to sway. Trailers are tow vehicles designed to be pulled by a car or truck. Trailers are unique and can vary in size, design, and purpose. Trailer sizes range from those with a cargo capacity of a couple of hundred pounds to over 10,000 pounds cargo capacity. These include cargo trailers, car haulers, boat trailers, horse trailers, flat trailers, and camper trailers, amongst the most popular. You may find yourself renting a trailer, using a friend's trailer, or purchasing and towing your own trailer. To determine how much your equipment can tow and how much cargo your trailer can hold, you should consult your tow vehicle and trailer owner's manuals, or speak with your trailer sales representative or trailer rental agent to discuss your specific towing combination and needs. In Lesson 1, we'll go over basic principles of towing a trailer. The following lessons include your hitch system, hooking up your trailer, trailer braking systems, loading and securing your load, driving tips, backing up a trailer, and a brief summary.